Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install OBS Studio on your computer. So let's get started. Link in the description, just click on it. You will see this website, and we are going to download the latest version. If you want old version, then you can go for it. So I'm going to click on download latest version. Wait for a few seconds, it will pop up like this. Click OK, or you will see the start button. So I already downloaded this, that is why it is showing me that download finished, download complete. Okay, so it is 66 MB. As you can see, it will take few seconds for you, or maybe few minutes. Then after that you will see like this, download complete. Just click on open, click yes, next, and install. It is going to take you a few seconds, and after that you will see it is finished. It is the best software ever. So it is finished. Just click on check it and finish. The software will open. As you can see, this is the software, and this software will help you for live streaming and record your screen too. And also you can play games and start streaming from here. There's a many settings. Here's the settings. Stream, you can go for it, like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want. Hotkeys. Okay, I hope you like this software. If you're new in this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up on my video, and share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.